In this part, we will disassemble the humanoid robot, Nightingale. We will show the flexibility and the reliability of robots. It's not only reflect in the multifunctional interactive feedback, but also in the ability to replace any part of equipment to adapt the task in different environment. Okay, let's see inside of the Nightingale robot. I have led everyone to understand some of function of Nightingale humanoid robot. It has a lot of potential to be developed in the software part and hardware part. I hope everyone will be inspired by your research after watching this video.